It's 6 a.m. What do you want?
The car won't start.
Remember 2 years ago when we cast a car in the Target?
And we came out scot-free.
The car didn't.
Why not just buy a new one?
Hey, you guys wanna... So I need your guys' help to buy us a new car.
We will find you the perfect car.
Which is perfect, because we are here now. And this place is so big.
But what car should we choose?
This one. Good looks, but we need something sturdier.
I know what car I want to choose. This guy. It's perfect and compact. Plus, it's cheap. Well, it's $350.
Who's got the cash?
I know you're
Well, I got $200 on me. You guys?
100 from my birthday.
I'm in massive debt.
We still need $30. Wait.
Oh, can I buy that car?
We would like to buy a car.
What type of car would you like to buy? Awesome choice!
Yay, new car!
Yeah, but really, how are we gonna fit?